One of the closing, I think there's a few left, PRC U dances for the TAPS organization. Before we go any further, I'd like to introduce the guys in the band. I know a couple of them up here are familiar faces around the Toledo area. On the far right, you probably don't know them, but yeah, far right, your left. Jimmy Mack on the clarinet and saxophone. Right next to him, also from the Toledo area, plays with Jerry Kaminsky, Polka Network, also the Versatones. How about a nice round of applause for Andy Pavlov. On my left, your right, this guy's been around this area a few times, playing with Marv Herzog as well as the Dyna Brass. My dad, Dave Slavinsky, on accordion, everybody. And last but not least, well, second to last, on drums back here. This is his first time playing a full gig, or quite a bit of the gig on drums. His name's Jacob Ford. He runs a show on 24/7 Polka Heaven. He's an inspiring drummer, big polka fan. How about a nice round of applause for Jacob? We also have Brian Earl in the house with us. He's going to be playing some drums with us as well. So have a nice round of applause for Brian Earl. Thanks for coming on. Well, we're going to keep it going with the polkas for you right now. We're going to do another honky tune for you. Featuring my dad, Dave, on the vocals. Here's one called Return to Me Polka.
Infrastructure in this town.
Here we go, song number one called Return to Me.